Now it's your turn to practice your understanding of the different sets of real numbers. If you haven't already completed this example on your own, please stop the video, attempt this on your own, then return to the video to check your answers. In part A, we need to give an example of a number that is a rational number, but not a whole number. The set of rational numbers are the numbers that can be written as fractions. So I want to have something that is a fraction, but not a whole number. Whole numbers are the numbers 0, 1, 2, 3, and so on. So I want something that can be written as a fraction, but is not a whole number. One example could be the number 1/2. 1/2 is a fraction, but it's not a whole number. For another example, we could have had -3. -3 can be written as a fraction as -3/1, but it is not a whole number. In part B, we want to find something that is a real number, meaning it is on the number line, but it is not an integer, meaning it is not a positive or negative whole number. So it can't be 0, 1, -1, 2, -2, or so on. So we simply need to find some number on the number line that is not an integer. One example could be pi, or the square root of 2, or any other irrational number. But also, the example we had from part A, 1/2. Any fraction would also work. So any irrational number would work, and any rational number that's not a positive or negative whole number would work for part B. In part C, we want to give an example of an integer, so something like 0, 1, -1, 2, or -2, and so on, but that it is not a rational number, meaning it is not a fraction. Well, if we stop and think about this, every integer is a rational number. So to come up with an example of an integer that's not a rational number is impossible. There is no such number.